Konnichiwa, Williams Noriko desu. Hello, I'm Noriko Williams, the creator of Visual Kanji, a new video tutorial course on Japanese writing. The course is called Visual Kanji. Learn 1100 kanji and words that use them. It is a place where Japanese language learners can come to study kanji and vocabulary at their own pace using an unusual method. It is open to the public on the internet and free. The textbook is The Key to Kanji, a visual history of 1100 characters, Kanji Etoki, which I wrote. Who is this course for? Mature learners at the intermediate level or above who are looking for a way to study kanji that is not mere memorization. In particular, if you have studied Japanese in the university for a few years but forgotten much of kanji and vocabulary, or if you speak good Japanese but writing is your weakness, or if you are preparing for an upper-level proficiency test that requires you to know lots of kanji and vocabulary, or any kanji study enthusiast, you have come to the right place. What is our goal? At the completion of the course, we aim to read and write 1100 kanji and know approximately 7,000 words that use those kanji with correct pronunciation. With this knowledge, we are ready to read articles written for general interest without getting deterred by unfamiliar kanji or words, and we will be able to understand most of the writing that we encounter when we live in or travel around Japan. Before I go further, I should add what this course is not. It does not teach you Japanese grammar. It is not for a novice learner of Japanese. It is not affiliated with any academic institution. No academic credit will be given at the completion. How do we study? We first examine how kanji emerged in ancient China and see how it developed into kanji that we use in Japanese now. Then we discuss how to write, what it means, and useful words that use the kanji. Why do we bring in ancient writing to study modern kanji? For two reasons. First, the precursors to kanji are the visualization of a meaning. Kanji still reflects that original connection between shape and meaning if you know what to look for. Secondly, knowing the origin allows you to break down a kanji into its components, each of which is a discrete unit of shape and meaning that appears in many different kanji. Knowledge of those components will become a tool to learn kanji. For this course of video tutorials, I had recreated by hand some 2,000 images of ancient writing from photograph collections published in Japan. These powerful visual images will guide us through the story of each kanji. How are the lessons structured? For 1100 kanji, there will be 28 lessons altogether. Each lesson has 40 kanji. Those 40 kanji are divided into 4 sections. Each section is discussed in a slide video of 10 to 12 minutes. What is the order of 1100 kanji we study? 2 principles are used. The first is according to origin, that is, by the real-life sources of the images, such as physical features, postures, habitats, nature, weapons, artifacts of life, and animals. The second principle is according to common components in kanji. The shapes in red on these tables, for instance, show the subgroups of common shapes. Now, let's take a quick look at what a video tutorial is like. First, my longtime colleague Aul Sensei put his thinking cap on. In an orange frame slide, the sources of the images come on. In a yellow frame slide, you will have a preview of 10 kanji grouped in common shape subgroups. Then your study of individual kanji begins. Each kanji is explained in 2 slides. The first slide is the connection between the origin and the present-day kanji. Under lesson and kanji numbers and kanji in kyokashotai or textbook style, you will see 3 types of ancient writing wherever available to us. Oracle bone style, kokotsubun in brown, bronzeware style, kinbun in green, and ten style or official seal style, tenbun in red. And the paragraph of explanation follows. The slides are fully narrated. Let's listen.
The kanji choku. In oracle bone style, an eye had a straight line above it. In bronzeware style, a dot was seen on the straight line, and an additional line was added to emphasize the meaning of to straighten. It meant straight, to straighten.
Along the gray column on the right side are the references to the textbook, to Bushu in a traditional kanji dictionary, to common shape, and to the serial kanji number in this tutorial course. In the second slide, you will hear how to write the kanji, its meanings, and some sample words in English and Japanese, like this.
To write the kanji choku, you write a short kanji ju, or 10, the kanji me, and an angle underneath. The kanji choku means straight, at once, and directly. There are 2 kunyomi, sugu, right away, and tadachi ni, at once. The onyomi jiki is in shojiki, honest, and another onyomi choku makes up words such as chokusetsu, direct, and chokusen, straight line. These are the kanji we have studied in this video.
A video concludes with the table of kanji discussed. As important as watching video materials is working on the 2 PDF materials, which you download and print out for your study before each lesson. The first PDF Goiristo, a vocabulary list, has an average of 6 frequently used words per kanji, with word accent. The second PDF, Kanji to Goi no Renshu Shito, Kanji and Vocabulary Worksheets, is your hands-on worksheet. After you watch the video, you fill in those items. If you are used to flashcard, you could make homemade flashcards out of this. Now let's go over the steps you will be taking in this course. 1. Before each lesson, you download the 2 PDFs and print them out. 2. You watch the lesson video. 3. You pick up a pencil and work on your worksheet. Do the same for each of the 4 videos or sections. 4. After that, you practice writing and pronunciation of words and memorize on your own, away from your computer or mobile device. Then, when you are ready, move on to the next lesson. In this course, you will encounter the human side of kanji. Ancient writing breathes life into seemingly dry, impersonal lines that make up kanji. Fascinating as it is, though, etymology in this course is just the means to reach our goal. Our goal is to learn 1100 kanji and 7,000 words to make us competent advanced readers and writers. We will go through as many as 110 slide videos together. It will be a long journey for you, me, and the people who helped me build this program. You will not be alone in your journey. We would like to invite you to take a look at the first few videos and the lesson PDF materials to find out if this way of learning kanji is for you. We look forward to meeting you in the course. Thank you very much for viewing this video. ごきげんよう。